Alright, what's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do us a favor by liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make up to 10 to 20% of your capital trading the forex spots. Trading the crypto market. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you exactly the way I do it in just 15 minutes. Okay, first thing you have to do is, if you are a newbie and you don't know anything about crypto and you want to start, this video is for you. So first of all, you come to your app store, you download this TradingView app. This is the app. Okay, you download this app. Then another thing you also needed is your Bybit exchange. Okay, Bybit account. All right, so when you download your TradingView, you add whatever cryptocurrency you want to trade. These are my cryptos, or those, most of them here are forex pairs. Okay, but you can download crypto by searching whatever crypto you want to trade, like let us say Bitcoin, BTC, USDT. Okay, there are so many pairs there that you can actually trade. Then you can also search, maybe let me say XRP, USDT. Okay, then just add it, then click on it, then click on buy. Then you can see the chart of SRP. Okay, so how do I trade this as a beginner? If you don't have any idea on trading, because before you can trade this strategy on the spot market and be profitable, you must have idea of about what the chart is telling you. You know where to buy from and where to sell from. Okay, but you know that in spot markets we always take advantage of buying opportunities. Okay, buying opportunity, that's what we look at. Now for example, let me say you come to this chart and you see something like this. You saw something like this. Let me go to higher time frame, like the 4-hour time frame. Okay, right now you can see that crypto is crashing down. Right, most times like this we don't have more opportunity in trading the spot market, but anyways, we can actually trade this by taking advantage of 10% to 20% of the market move. All right, because there's no way in a month that a particular cryptocurrency will not move like 10 to 20% if you actually bought from the right place. Okay, now for example, if you don't have any idea and you don't know how to trade this, let me say, now remember, this market move in a waveform. You can see the way it is moving right now. It's moving in a zigzag form. Let me highlight the movement on the chart. Okay, you can see that this price is moving from high. This is a low, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high. Right now, how do you buy this market? Right, so we want to take advantage about the upward movement on this particular pair. All right, this movement, we want to take advantage of this movement to the upside. That is what we are targeting. Right, and if you check the percentage of this, let me see how many percent movement is that. The movement is let me see how many percent it moves to. You can see that we have up to 48% movement. That's massive, bro. Can you see? That's massive. You can actually make this percentage within, let me check the time it took for that movement to occur. That movement, let me check the time. Let me use my vertical tools to check the movement of that. Okay, so this actually move occurred from Friday, February, which is on the 28th of February, to the movement to the March 3rd of March. That is around 4 days to 5 days move. Okay, of which you can actually capitalize on. Right, so let me say now, how do you buy this market in spot market? Remember, there are two ways that the market move. All right, and we want to capitalize on the upward movement, which is the buying aspect of it. So we take this. Now remember, market moving up, down, up, down, up. Right, down, then up. Now this is kind of movement we need in the market. Right, using like the 1-hour time frame, we want to see a high, we want to see the movement of what? A high, right? We want to see this is the high. It created another high, it created another high. So this is the move we want to capitalize on, right? These are the moves we want to capitalize on. This move right here, like this. These are the moves we want to capitalize on. Now, how do we know that, okay, price is time for us to buy, right? So we want to check the movement, right? So let's say this is a level, right? This is a level. Now the market break through that level. The market break through this level. Then when the market break through this level, we don't want to buy, right? We want to wait for this particular what? We want to wait for this particular movement for price to come down to this level before we what? Before we actually take a buy. And for us to buy IPRP at 4,200, right? You buy from here, then you capitalize on this movement, which we are targeting. You capitalize on this movement. Let me draw it. Want to capitalize on this word after the price drop to this zone. They want to capitalize on this movement, right? Targeting like maybe 10% or 20% of the market. Now there are two ways you can buy. When price break this level, let me use a vertical zone to analyze it, right? So when price break out from this level, right? When price break out from this level, it pull back, it breaks, it move up. Then you wait for the market to come down to this particular zone. Then actually take a buy from that, right? So that is where we need to buy from. So you need to buy from area of support. This is an area of support. Sorry, this is the area of support where we need to buy from, or we wait for area of resistance to be broken out, we test it and buy from that zone. Okay, so when price is moving like this right now, where do we buy from? We wait for price to come down to this resistance and buy, capitalizing on this up move. Or sometimes market do what? Behave somehow to drop down to this particular zone of what? Of 4,000, right? Then you can actually take a buy from there, which is also what? A resistance turning into what? A support. It's as simple as that. Like at this particular zone, we expect price to what? To keep buying from that zone, or price come down to this level and buy from that zone. That is the upward movement of trading the spot market, right? Now don't forget that this time around you see market dropping down. Market is crashing, right? So right now you need to be very technically active for you to be able to capitalize on the movements of the market right now, because right now you can see that most of the cryptocurrency are dropping downward, right? They are creating a lower high, which is a downward trend. A low is creating a lower high and a lower low. It's creating this level, right? Creating this level. This is what the market is doing right now. So now for you to be able to capitalize on this movement, you can see that it is not advisable to trade along the trend. This is the low that was broken out. Then this is where we want to capitalize on, to buy from, making like 10%, which is also trading against the trend. This is about the spot market, right? Now when price get to this zone in the higher time frame, like the 4 hours, how do you know that it's time for you to buy? And you are going to place your sell limit at this zone, right? You're going to place your sell limit at this particular zone. How do we know that market is going to buy? Now when you see these structures, when you see this full structure, right? This structure may be in a what? In a higher time frame, like the 4 hour on the 1 hour, right? Now how do you know that it's time for you to buy from this zone, for you to capitalize on the movement? Now you will not scale down to like your lower time frame of 5 minutes or 15 minutes, right? So from this level, there are things known as chart patterns. That's why you need to be educated, right? Acquire the knowledge. And there's something called the chart patterns, of which price tends to give you a reversal pattern that okay, this price is about to buy. And most of the patterns there, example, we have a W pattern. Most of the pattern are most of the pattern, like we have this pattern, right, on this zone, right. You see a pattern like this, it will occur at that zone. There are so many patterns we can see there for to know that okay, it's time for price to go up, so we can buy, right. So at this zone on the long time frame, you can see something like this. On this pattern, you can see something like this, right, come down. Then this way you know that okay, it's time for price to actually buy from the market. There are so many patterns we can see right there, right. You can also see a pattern like reverse head and shoulder pattern, something like this at this zone. You can see something like this, a reverse head and shoulder pattern, to indicate to you that it is time for price to buy, right. Those are the patterns that you are going to see for you to know that okay, it's time for price to go up. Then you capitalize on the movement. So these are the way you can buy from a downward trend, right. This is the way you can buy from downward trend, targeting around 10 to 20%. Now let me take you to my Bybit. It's very easy. Just go to a Bybit. This is the Bybit that after you might have registered and everything, you just come to trade. On this trade, you come to this zone, which the root the spot market. All right, you see that on this pair right now I'm having Ethereum USDT. Like for example, maybe I want to buy. You just come to this zone, right, tap it. You see the different type of orders there. So most especially in the spot market, we use market prices. You can also use limit prices, but you can also use market price. But most times I use my limit order. So right here you can see that the price of Ethereum is at it's at $1,611, right. So at this price, let me say for example, price is at a good support. Maybe price is at this level, and I've seen that this pattern, this particular pattern is forming at that level, right. It's forming at that level. Then what I will do is that I will go to my Bybit, then look at the price there, then just enter the price and buy from, which is the market price. Let me take it to market price. Then just use your capital. If it is $500, $1,000, you just enter it here, $500. All right. Then you click a buy. Then when you click a buy, then you are going to have something like an order created. You can see that I have like 3 orders here, of which I buy Ethereum. These are the 3 orders I have, right. So in there now, you now come back to how do you know that okay, it's time for you to set your sell limit? Where do you want the price to get to after you target like 10 to 20%? If the move is not, if you check where the pattern is being formed, if the move is not up to 10%, there's no need for you to take that trade. Okay, so you just come to sell your Ethereum. You might have buy the Ethereum by then. You just click on sell, then enter your price. Now it will not be limit order, it will not be market order. You just come here, click on limit order, then enter the price that you want to sell at. The price at this level of support, which can eventually turn into a resistance. You enter the sell from there, right. Enter the sell from there, then just click on sell. So the order will be created here. So whenever the price move from here to this level, it will automatically fill your order. It will automatically sell. So that's the simple way to trade the spot market, where to buy from and what to sell from. You can see that it's very simple, right. Just wait for area of support turning to a resistance, area of resistance turning into a support. If you don't understand this video and you want me to do more videos on how you can trade this spot market profitably, you can comment on the section, because I'm going to take every response, right. I'm going to respond to every comment that you make on this video, right. So just drop a comment and I'll make more educated video, more understandable video for you to know how to really trade this profitably. All right, so guys, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and if these are the type of content you are interested in, you can give me a follow. All right, so that whenever I drop a video like this, YouTube will notify you. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a profitable days ahead. God bless you.